Hey guys, it's Mary, and look what I got today. It is the Confetti Die auto ship from Crafter's Companion, and this one I think was called Nature. So we've got Autumn Leaves and Pretty Petals. So this is the next to the last. There's only one left of the auto ship. And this is what the dies look like. If you're not familiar, if you haven't seen the other videos, they're always little swirlies. And so to save time, I cut this one out and wanted to give you a look. Look at how cute that is. They've all been really cute. And so this is what it would look like if you just backed it up with just a color. But being these are leaves, I think it would be cute to back it up with color. And I've saved all the little cutouts. And it would be cute to make these different fall colors, you know, just the leaf parts, you know, so have this as green, but then have these as the oranges and the reds, and then just after you color them, then just pop them back in once you've got them on your card base, and then you would have the colors. So I think that would be really cute. So I've really enjoyed this. They weren't very expensive, and they're good for a fast, quick card. In fact, when I was cutting this, I was thinking this would be perfect to do a fall card for the senior cards that I send out, you know, come November. It would be perfect. And I think I'll do it with, like I said, with a green background, and then pop in, there's only what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5 leaves. Yeah. So I think I'll do that, and I'll pop in the different color leaves. So that'll be fast, and it'll be cute. And then just a perfect right here for Happy Thanksgiving. So, all right, so that's it. Like I said, I'm sad that it's coming to an end. They've been really cute, and like I said, not too expensive. Let me know if you've been getting the auto ships and how you've liked them, and if you're sad too that they're going to be coming to an end. Let me know which one's been your favorite. I think the next one has leaves again, but a different kind of leaf, and then dragonflies. So I'm thinking that one's going to be a cute one. So leave me a comment. Either way. So, all right, so that's it for this time. Thanks for subscribing. If you are a current subscriber, if you'd like to subscribe, you can hit that subscribe button, and if you hit the bell, it will send you a notification when there's a new video that you can watch. Also, that like button is so important, especially for us little YouTube channels. It means a lot to us and to YouTube. So and it helps us immensely. So and sharing, there's a share button right there if you want to share with friends. That would be great too. So, all right, so that's it. Short and simple this time. So, thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate any time that you have to spend. Everybody's lives are so busy. So I appreciate the time you take. So that's it. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.